Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GT63. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I do not see any scratches on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I do not see any scratches or dents. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The trunk looks fine. I do not see any scratches, and the back bumper looks perfect. So everything back here is in excellent condition. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I do not see any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look very good. I do not see any scratches or dents at all. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Back here looks fine as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.